If the SmartThings Motion Sensor won't connect to your hub or detect motion or temperature, you want to reset the device. First, locate the Connect button on the sensor. Using a paperclip or a similar tool, hold down the Connect button on the sensor for 5 seconds. Release the button when the LED light on the front starts blinking red. When the LED is blinking red and green, your device has been successfully reset. If previously connected, remove the motion sensor from the app. Long press the device you want to disconnect until a few options pop up. Select Edit. Select Delete Device and then Confirm. Now you can reconnect your motion sensor.